In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add salary in Zoho Books 2025. Managing finances efficiently is crucial for any business, and Zoho Books provides a seamless way to handle your accounting needs, including recording salaries. Let's dive right into the process. First off, you want to navigate to the Purchases section. On the left-hand sidebar of your Zoho Books dashboard, you'll see an option labeled Purchases. Click on it, and then select Expenses from the drop-down menu. This is your starting point for recording any financial outflows, including salaries. Once you're in the Expenses section, it's time to create a new expense entry. Look to the top right corner of the page, and you'll notice a Plus New button. Click this button to begin logging the salary expense. This action opens a new form where you will input all the necessary details related to the salary payment. Now that you have your new expense form open, you'll need to fill in all the essential details. Firstly, select the appropriate expense account for this particular transaction. Typically, this would be something like salaries and employee wages. This classification is crucial for tracking your expenses accurately and maintaining organized financial records. Next, enter the amount of the salary. It's important to ensure that this figure is accurate, as it will reflect in your financial reporting and impact your cash flow statements. Following that, you need to specify the bank account used for making this salary payment. In the Paid Through field, select the bank account you've utilized for the transaction. This enables Zoho Books to reconcile your bank statements with your expense records seamlessly. Additionally, you have the option to add other details to further clarify the transaction. If you have the employee field enabled within Zoho Books, you can enter the employee's name. This can be particularly helpful for tracking payments made to specific individuals. You can also add the date of the payment, which is essential for maintaining chronological records. Moreover, there's a Notes section where you can include any additional information you think is necessary for reference, such as payment details or specific terms. Finally, once you've meticulously filled out all the relevant fields, it's time to save the expense. Simply click the Save button, and Zoho Books will record this salary payment in your expenses automatically. That's all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully added a salary transaction in Zoho Books 2025. By following these steps, you ensure that your financial records remain accurate and up to date. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips on mastering Zoho Books.